Hello, Showtimers! Today we're unboxing a COPO Camaro! Yay! It has 5-spoke wheels. It has black stripes. And it's a Legends Tour car that's in yellow, but it's supposed to be orange for the Legends one. And I'll compare to the 13 Camaro. The difference is the hood in the middle is taller for the COPO Camaro, and this is lower. And there's a triangle on top of the roof, and this doesn't. And it says COPO. And this is a gift from Brian. Thank you, Brian. Bye-bye, Showtimers. Thanks for this gift.